Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your fingerprint sensor if your fingerprint sensor is not working and it is not activated. How you can solve this problem in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. So let's begin. First, you have to click on settings. Then you have to scroll down and click on apps. Here it is manage apps. You have to tap on here. Then you have to click on search. Here you have to write fingerprint and you will see Godix fingerprint. Just tap on here and you can see app permission. If it is there, you can allow it. Then you can click on storage. Here it is clear all data. You can do clear all data. Just press OK. If you have set it, it will be deleted. I have click on it. Then press back like this. And if there is an update in your mobile phone that is about fingerprint sensor or security patch update, you have to update it like this. It is a Xiaomi Hyper OS update. Just click on update and you can see here it is an update is available. You can learn what's new about it, and it's all about the security patch that increase system security. So you must have to download it first, then you can make the changes. And then you have to press back. Then you have to click on fingerprint, face data and screen lock, and click on fingerprint and unlock. Apply the password and you can see fingerprint 1. So you can just delete, remove your fingerprint, and again you have to try it by adding the fingerprint from here. Just draw your default lock screen password and add your fingerprint from here. I am adding it by thumb. You can see press and lift after the you feel the vibration, and move your finger slightly to capture the sensor, and it's done, saved as fingerprint 1. Press on done and you can add more fingers by clicking on add finger. Now I just turn off the smartphone and you can see I'm just pressing it and now it is completely working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.